Hi everyone, welcome to Jim's Droning. My name is Jim. Now today we're about to do our first flight of 2025. But before I do that first flight, I'd like to talk a little bit about a couple of drones that I flew quite often in 2024. And two of the drones I flew quite often was the DJI Neo and the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Now, when the DJI Neo came out, it's basically like a selfie drone. People even called it a vlogger's drone. It's very cool. I like it a lot. One thing that I really enjoyed with the Neo was the multiple controllers. You had your phone, you had the N3 controller, you had the RC2, you had the remote controller 2. You had the Motion 3 and you had the Goggles 3. A very versatile little drone, weighing only 135 grams, and it has one-axis gimbal camera on it, and the field of view on this camera is like 117 degrees, and it has an aperture of 2.8. It has AI features, so it'll do a follow, a helix, a boomerang, a rocket, direction track, spotlight, just so many features of this little drone. I love it. I love this little thing. Also, he did a lot of flying with the Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro is just one absolutely amazing little drone. This drone here, I would say, has all the features of a Mavic 3, with the exception of the camera. The camera on this is 1/1.3. It has an 82-degree field of view, and it's a 3-axis gimbal. The great thing with the Mini 4 Pro is it's got 360 obstacle avoidance. It's just a super nice drone. Now, about a week ago, DJI seemed to take the Mini 4 Pro and the DJI Neo, the new DJI Flip. Now, the Flip is what we're going to be doing our very first flight of the year with. Now, the camera on this, that's a little bit tricky to get off. And for some reason, they had this little rubber thing on there. But anyways, the camera on this is what's amazing about the DJI Flip. This is the same camera that we have on the Mini 4 Pro. This is also a 3-axis gimbal and 1/1.3 image sensor. And the field of view on this is the same as the Mini 4 Pro. We've got about an 82-degree field of view. The great thing about this drone is it has all the features of the DJI Neo, and it has quite a few features of the DJI Mini 4. One thing that concerns me a little bit is the positioning of this camera here. The camera is very exposed. See, the Mini 4 Pro has those sidebars to kind of protect it a little bit. We're going to take this out for a flight, and we're going to see see how she performs here at the front. This is an infrared. They don't have anything on the back. And the one thing that they've done with this, which I don't understand why, and I'm not sure if I'm keen on the idea, but when you open up the DJI Flip, once you get everything open, it actually comes on. It actually comes on. I guess if you were just flying this with your phone and you wanted to get it up in the air really quick, this would probably be a cool idea. On the side here, circle. Yeah, on the side here, they have a button, and let's see, where is that button? Okay, we have a button on this side. We're gonna click that. Rocket. Okay, it has rocket. Spotlight. Spotlight. Direction track. Direction track. Follow. Follow. Droney. Droney. Circle. Circle. Rocket. Rocket. So all of these AI features are exactly the same as the DJI Neo. Now with the DJI Neo, you get approximately 18 minutes of flight time, and with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, you're getting I think 34 minutes of flight time, and now with the DJI Flip, you're getting 31 minutes. So this configuration of prop guards and props is quite different. It's quite different. It looks like we have about a 4-inch prop there. The big thing is I want to get this in the air. We have some sensors on the bottom. I want to get this in the air and get my first flight in. And now there's a lot of people out there complaining about how it handles the wind. Everyone out there, if you're new to flying drones, keep in mind any drones that have prop guards, you are going to have more unstable performance in the wind. Anything with prop guards is definitely not for flying in the wind. If you're someone that likes to fly in the wind, then I would say go for something like the Mini 4 Pro or something that doesn't have prop guards. Now, a lot of the camera drone guys complain about the sound of the DJI Flip. I haven't heard the sound of the DJI Flip because I haven't flown it yet. It's probably very similar to the DJI Neo, which did have a sound. But again, anything with ducks is probably going to give you more sound than a drone without ducks on it. As far as I'm concerned, once I get this up 100 feet in the air, I don't hear anything. But anyways, we're going to check out all of these different things with the DJI Flip that everybody is talking about. So anyways, this is the DJI Flip, and as soon as the rain stops, we're going to do our first flight. So stick around.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire?